Previously, I did some gaming mouse customization projects. And then I found this on printables. It is fully printed externals for Logitech G305 mouse. So without hesitation, I bought the parts. First one is obviously the original mouse. I bought a used one from my neighborhood. Note that I bought G304, not 305. The only difference is the branding. I brought a lithium polymer battery pack from my parts storage. I ordered plastic parts from JLCPCB 3D printing service instead of printing by my own, because I don't like layer lines and I wanted to try SLS printing. The results were promising. I liked the matte finish. Also note that I lightly modified the STL file to remove AA battery slot and add charging port. Let's do disassembly. It was using NRF52810 microcontroller. Because disassembling the upper wasn't obvious, I had to search the web. Of course, I wanted to replace its microswitch. I desoldered them from PCB. To do that, I tinned them with solder and grabbed a piece of thick copper wire and sanded it down to remove the oxide layer. Finally, I can use the wire to melt all 3 solder joints on microswitch. And I did some quick cleanup. Of course, I did the same on the other side. I cleaned up the scrolling wheel with alcohol. These are Kyle GM 8.0 microswitch. They guarantee 80 million triggers. I soldered them on the PCB. This is my custom TP4057 charging board. It is super compact and provides basic charging with power pass switch. I cut its unnecessary connector to save space. I soldered them with basic buck converter set to 1.5 volts. I wrapped everything with Kapton tape and connected to baseboard. I screwed the switch PCB in place. Note that it should be screwed down directly on top of base PCB. I used a bit of hot glue to hold rest of the parts. As the final finish, I screwed up the housing together and added Teflon feet. The results looked promising and satisfying. It was all good until I found the DPI button is missing.